Hello, I'm Mike Leonard, Dean of the School of Design and Engineering in the Kambar College of Design, Engineering, and Commerce at Thomas Jefferson University. And I'm here to introduce you to the Industrial Design Bachelor of Science program in the School of Design and Engineering. I'll give you a brief program description. I'll outline the plan of study. You'll get to see some samples of student work. We'll talk a little bit about the career path and the professional associations our students enjoy. And then we'll introduce you to some of our faculty and some of our students and alumni. First and foremost, you should meet Todd Corlett, who is the program director for the industrial design programs at the bachelor's and master's level. Industrial design is all about creating a future. It's about imagining how new worlds will be created to solve existing problems in the world through the design of products and systems. In our particular program, you work in a collaborative studio environment from the time you are a freshman all the way through to your senior year. You'll find that there's a wide array of career paths open to you as an industrial designer, and our graduates have gone on to become leaders at most companies that they work at. Our program is NASAD accredited, and our program and international students can receive STEM OPT extension. The plan of study for industrial design features a collection of a series of 8 studio courses throughout the program. In addition to the program, each member of our student population in the College of Design, Engineering, and Commerce is required to take a core set of courses. We start in the freshman year with a DEC core that features business models. We move on to an integrative design process course. And then in the third year, we have ethnographic research methods. We then also have concentration courses, and we have capstone courses that conclude the DEC core. Our students also have our brand of general studies, which we call hallmarks, which also run alongside the main program curriculum throughout the field of study. So again, from freshman year through senior year, our students will study writing, science, mathematics, and world studies throughout the course of the program. We tend to believe that you are a professional from day one when you join our programs, and so we begin in freshman year with a Design 1 studio and move you through a series of 8 studios to completion, 1 a semester. Along the way, you're also able to add in unique concentrations in things like soft goods design, medical products design. Students have been studying things in the area of materials and processes. They are specializing in lighting. There's a variety of different concentrations that we offer. You'll find our students take on problems of all different sizes and shapes. So for example, we have here an amputee athlete who required a design for a tip on their prosthetic that would allow them to perform on the field as any other member of the athletic team would do. Our students not only isolated the problem, they studied the materials and processes and proposed several solutions that were then tested and refined iteratively. Again, our students tackle problems in all different areas, and in this case, you're looking at a medical product design that was worked in concert with our colleagues at the Jefferson Medical College. We also have a number of students exploring various materials and processes in the form of home furnishings, one-of-a-kind furnishings, as well as unique objects for the home. Our soft goods concentration have led students to design gear of all type, as well as things like backpacks, outdoor equipment, and increasingly footwear. Industrial design is a growing profession in the world. We have a consistently high rate of students achieving world-class positions upon graduation using their portfolios. We have high rankings for our programs, both at the graduate and undergraduate level. Our students have gone on to get awards and accolades in a variety of different competitions, as well as being much sought at as industry leaders by a host of different employers, not the least of which are companies like Johnson & Johnson, Nike, Smart Design, Armstrong World Industries, Knoll International, Amtrak, and Caterpillar, among others. An industrial designer's outlook in the job market is fairly high. It's a creative profession. Designers tend to find positions wherever problems need to be solved, and the output of a designer is always sought after as a way of expressing what is new, what is modern, what is technologically advanced. And so our job applicants, with the skill set that they have coming out of our program, tend to be much sought after, not just because of their creativity, but also a broad skill set that is applicable in a variety of different industries. Throughout the study in our program, the students have the opportunity to become members of the Industrial Designers Society of America. Our chapter participates in the yearly awards for student designers and emerging talent. Many of our students go on to work on very many different projects throughout their professional career, but they start those projects typically in their school career. It's not unusual for a student such as Jessica Montaloni here to have worked on as many as 3 or 4 industry-sponsored projects throughout the normal course of study in our program. This gives Jess familiarity with corporate structures, with the integration of industrial design with other disciplines, and gives our students, all of them, a great grounding in how to communicate with members of many different professions at many different ranks in a corporation. Many of our students are also student athletes as they complete their field of study. It's a difficult thing to do a sport and do studio work at the same time. However, the dedication and drive of our students tend to make this seem somehow easy. Our faculty are all drawn from industry. They have practices or have worked in major corporations designing major products. In most cases, every single faculty member is grounded in the general study of industrial design, as well as some incredibly unique specializations in materials and processes, ergonomics, visualization, soft goods, and more. Some of our faculty are world-renowned for operating companies that work in areas like lighting, that there are very few people who are doing the kind of world-class, forward-thinking, technologically advanced work. Some of our faculty have had long careers as design professionals and are sharing that knowledge with the students every day in the classroom as they work with the students. Many of our faculty have entrepreneurship in their background as owners of their own companies, small design firms, or product manufacturing companies. Again, they bring this expertise into the classroom in unique ways, informing projects, informing assignments, and bringing forward a host of opportunities for the students to experience what it's like to be a modern industrial designer. Some of our alums have gone on to work for companies that are synonymous with design excellence. They have worked on products that everyone owns. They have worked in areas that have come to set trends and have come to advance the state of the art. And we're very proud of what our alums have been able to do. It's been a pleasure for me spending a few moments explaining industrial design and the Bachelor of Science in Industrial Design in the School of Design and Engineering.